Realistic expectations. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Sorry for the gap in some videos. Life happens. So it's kind of the theme of today's topic. Managing expectations, realistic expectations. High expectations are okay, but are they realistic? Or do you have a path of realistic expectations to get you to this high goal, highly expected, high expectation? So let's kind of talk about this. So that's kind of been a theme of mine of realizing frustration, disappointment. Did I have, and I really was watching, my daughter is on a track team, and one of the things that I realized was that they could perform well, but have had too high of an expectations and turn a win into a loss mentally. So that's what I guess I realized that I've been doing for a very, very long time. Creating too many tasks in a day. So I had this discussion with my son not too long ago. Let's say you had 6 tasks that you wanted to get done that day. And that was completely unrealistic. Realistically, you could do 3. But you became ambitious, or whatever term you want to use, delusional. And you said, I want to try to get 6 things done today. Now, the past 3 days, you've done 0. So 0 tasks have been accomplished. And then all of a sudden, you get 3 done. But you setting this unrealistic expectation of 6, you turned something in from a success, you turned it into a failure. So there's an old saying, victory snatched from the jaws of defeat. You can flip that around and you can have the other way. But be careful. Setting goals is okay, but they have got to be realistic. And actually, I was watching somebody the other day, and they were more articulate than I. And they were saying that set a goal, and they were talking about child rearing, raising kids, that they would have the bar set differently per child. That it would be, what can they just get done? Because I've spent a lot of time thinking about this. How do highly successful people become highly successful people? All right, because they have successes. All right, so then that got me down the path. Well, how can I ensure that I have a success? Realistic expectations. So what begins to happen is you have this mental switch that changes, is that the more you have successes, accomplishments, the more you believe you can have successes and accomplishments. So be careful so it's really where you have that goal line. So did I have a good day because I had unrealistic goals, or did I have a good day because I was within my abilities and maybe a little bit more? So you want to move that. Another term that I heard back when I was in my other life was a stretch goal. What are we just tugging? Like, let's move it 2%. Let's see if we can move this 2%. And by the end of that, after a month, if you've moved it 2% every day, you've accomplished, if we just do sheer math, that's a 60% improvement over a 30-day month. Now, a 60% improvement of anything is an unbelievable number. And then let's say after 2 months, you're at 120. So these are these things that make sure you're accumulating successes, because then you will become unstoppable. And I've spent a great deal of time thinking about this and trying to figure out how and why certain people are higher achievers than others. Some of it has to do with environment, who are you around. But do you have a realistic expectation for yourself and those around you? So Really wanted to talk about this today. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and we're going to be getting back to our K nearest neighbor. Like I said, we've had some life happening around me, as always, as we all do. But there's an old line from a movie. I don't know if I'll get demonetized for saying it, saying the movie, so I won't. But the line in the movie is just keep swimming. Get up every day, do what you know how to do what you're supposed to do what you have to do, and then do just a little bit more. All right, there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.